Who knows where the SI joint is? Show me where it is with your fingers. Do you guys, no, I'm going to say, this is your spine, this is your pelvis where your hips are, and the joint right there that connects them to is called the sacroiliac joint or the SI joint. And many people have ones that go like this. They're a little loose. That's you too, okay? So when it gets a little kink like this, it does not feel good. So what happens? All the muscles on the hiked up side get really tight. So what do you want to do? You want to stretch those muscles, right? That's why we do lots of sideways stretches, right? Now, this is the other thing that we don't do much here, and you two girls, you got to do this at home, is the bridge pose. Strengthens the SI joint, right? The bridge pose is when you're lying on your back with your knees bent, and you lift your hips up, right?
I do that one.
Yeah. So you do that, you know, you're kind of like at an angle, right? Your head's here, and your knees are here, and you hold that, and you hold that, and that will strengthen that joint.
You want to
So.
demonstrate?
Okay, I'll demonstrate. Yes. Here we go.
Rolling bridge, you know rolling bridge.
So it's like this, right? And your hands are down, and then you're just going to just slowly lift up. And if you want to strengthen, you're going to hold it there. And if you want to do a little extra work, you can squeeze those glutes. Go
Can I
ahead.
make a quick comment?
Uh-huh.
Go back down.
And all the way down.
And notice, go back up, notice how her knees are stretching, and that helps lengthen this area.
Yeah, opens up. See, now I'm going low, but you surely can go higher too, right? So any of the pattern, high or low doesn't matter. Or you can go up and down as well, right? You can just do like a little butt lifts if you think about that. But that's going to strengthen this whole area. So that's how it works.
And it really works, Patty.
Yeah, by doing that.
Make sure you.
I would say try it, Velia, and see. Little lifts. And just see how that feels. Because when you lift up, you're going to see so many muscles engaging when you're doing that. You don't have to go up high. That's why I didn't go up high. You could just go up a couple inches and just like, whoa, this really makes a big difference. And guess what? It's going to tone the peaches. We know what the peaches are now, right? It's going to tone the butt cheeks. It does. Okay, a little tutorial for today.